Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about pocket milling operation, different types. Here, our topic is slot-wise pocket milling operation. So friends, first of all we need an object. So, in Solid, I will click on block with center origin. Length is 80, width is 50 and the height is 20. Okay. Now in view I will change in wireframe. You will see here. Wireframe. Here a rectangular shape with center origin, dimension is 30 by 30, fillet radius is 5. Okay, again I will create rectangular shape. Now the dimension is 40 by 40 and fillet radius is same with center origin. Okay, so here wireframe view is here. So I will click again top, select this portion, translate, change this view. In Z direction I will give value 20, move, OK, and point select and delete. Now I will click Shaded. In Solid, I will click on Extrude. Now select Chain. OK. Distance is 5. Opposite side with cut body. OK. You will see. This is our slot by extrude. So now we will cut this slot by pocket milling operation. So here in view I will click isometric and fit. Now machine, first of all I will select mill default and select stock setup, all solid and OK. So my stock is ready. Now click on pocket milling operation, select face, OK. Now toolpath is pocket, tool. So I will select tool, 3-dia tool, OK. Holder. So I will select first holder. In cut parameter, I will give stock to leave on wall is 0 and stock to leave on floor is also 0. Now in roughing, I will select parallel spiral and the step over distance is 1. Okay. Entry motion is of finishing cut with 0.5 spacing and number of passes is 2. Now depth of cut. I will on depth of cut. Rough value is 1. Finish cut 2 with 0.5 value. Okay. In linking parameter, top of stock is here and depth is here. Okay. Now I will change view in top view, wireframe, because we will easily understand. Okay, you will see the toolpath is apply in slot. Now in isometric, shaded, and I will click backplot. You will see the operation. Change the speed and play. You will see tool motion for cutting. I will change the speed. See. Now I will stop operation and same we will check in verify selected operation. So I will hide axis and play operation with slow speed. You will see. So slot is ready. You will see. By pocket milling operation this slot is applied. But in slot operation you will not apply this type of operation. So I will close it. This is our pocket milling operation with different type, means by slot wise. Thank you friends.